Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the AutoMix in Apple Music in iOS 26. Now basically, how to turn it on now. Now Apple has introduced AutoMix in iOS 26. Now this is gonna be a brilliant feature that automatically blends songs for smooth transitions, perfect for parties, workouts, or simply vibing. This is really good, guys. You can be a DJ by your own on your iOS 26 iPhone. So basically, you need to update your iOS 26. So go to Settings, General, and Software Update. Now tap Download and Install if iOS 26 is available. However, if it's not available, you just need to wait for the beta phase as of now, because AutoMix requires iOS 26. So make sure your device is up to date. Next up, open Apple Music on the app icon on your home screen. By the way, guys, Apple Music requires subscription, so you just have to be aware of that. Next up, start playing a playlist or album. Pick any song album you like and click on play. Now, while it's playing, open the Now Playing screen and tap Now Playing bar at the bottom to expand it. Tap the three dots or more button. Look for the three dot icon in the upper right corner of Now Playing screen. Tap it and open the menu and select Playback Options. Once you selected Playback Options, there should be an Auto Mix option for that one. Again, this will only show up if you have iOS 26. Slide it on and it will turn green or highlighted. And basically enjoy seamless music, sis. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.